am the chosen one. How much? 50. We have adopted 2 children. I've committed. I'll meet you back when we're at the top. 10:30 AM. We've just done a tour of some of the nicest rooms here. And today we're visiting some of the best waterfalls that are available in Laos. Pretty sure I have everything. Keys, helmet, gloves, raincoat, phone. This is what we're dealing with. This is our bike. There we go, a beautiful little bitch. Let's get it on. Probably need fuel, we'll find it. Unexplored places, no tourists. I'm not sure how much fuel we have, but it's pretty cool. This bike has a reserve tank. Save this for our first stop. Doesn't matter if there's people, doesn't matter if there's anxiety. We get the vlog done. That's the mindset. Nearly, oh my God. Sorry, I froze. Oh. Nice and slow. Oh, let's just walk the bike. Walk the bike. Jesus Christ. Worst part is you don't even know if it's the right way. Too low. I went too low. Jesus, man. I'm guessing that's it. Fuck, man. Hello. How are you? For parking? No problem. How much? 5? 5. 5. Oh. How are you? Oh, thank you. 10. Oh, okay. No problem. I give you 10. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, how much? No way. No, that's crazy. This crazy. No, I go. No problem. 50. 50. Just 5. No. Okay. 10. 10 is okay. 10 is okay. For me to you. Yeah, my friend. My friend. 20. Bruh. Okay. No problem. Okay. You messing with me, bro. Okay. Thank you. Cup chai. Hello. How are you? What is your name? Oh, good. Hello. Waterfall. Let's go. Swimming. I am 32. I have little guides with me. Where are I from? England. I don't know if adopting kids is good for safety or bad for safety. Oh, scary. Oh. Waterfall here, I can hear. We have adopted 2 children. They come with us on the walk. The man wanted 20k for parking. I was told it was 5k everywhere. I think he wanted 50 to begin with. So a little annoying, but it's safe. Better, okay. They know the safe way, not the dangerous way. I don't want to spend too long here because we have so many to see. And then it goes all the way up, and it drops off. Blup. The greenery, this is what I'm talking about. This is like proper jungle. Oh, they're so brave. Oh my God. Sabadi? Sabadi. Oh, jeez. All right, look. We got a lot of waterfalls to go, but we'll use nature. We'll use nature. Oh, please don't die. I want to live. Holding the camera and my helmet. Oh, I do not know the camera can see, but yeah. Okay. Okay, we go. See, the kids are helpful, so they deserve money. Oh, graffiti. Abandoned. Glass. I don't want to step in the glass. Alright, let's give them a tip. For you? For both? A cup of tea? For both to split? Okay. Give them nearly $5, but it's all I could find. But they're working kids, nice kids. They helped me. They need to learn as kids that helping people will get you more than being bad. So I got to reward them. Lovely, awesome kids. There are some people, dirt racers, you got dirt bikes, you know what you're doing. But me, this is fucking terrifying, bro. Right, first gear, let's just walk it. Oh man. Fuck this. Come on. There we go. Good bike. Oh. Come on, Bradley. No crashing today. You crashed in Vietnam on exactly the same roads. I'm a boss ass bitch. What can I say? Hello, my friend. It's over there. It's over there. You can do coffee? Cafe? Free green tea. Coffee. Coffee. Is sugar? Oh, cream. Little. Not much. Thank you. Perfect. Huh? I couldn't. I couldn't. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. You can see nobody leaving helmet, so we shall not leave helmet either. Hello. Somebody. Hello. How much? 20 only. Okay. Cup chai. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, we're in. A few tourists here and there. They wanted $35 I cannot afford, which is a shame, but never mind, it's still beautiful, and we got more stuff to see today. So it's a grey miserable day, but like it's still super pretty. Oh my god, and the pool of water right there, beautiful national park. Somebody has committed a sin. They've left perfectly good beer. It's somewhere there's a tribal village. Oh, I guess this is it. They didn't mean a real one. It's just looking like one. So, it was a quick one. Really quick. I'm moving on to a less touristy place. On to the next one. Starting to absolutely piss it down. We are getting wet today. All the prices on the board said $20k, $1 for entrance. And then right there, foreigner price. Man, visiting these waterfalls is not cheap, right? I'm driving around on the bike, I'm doing like 20 minutes at each one, like cha-cha-cha-cha, and it's stacking up, bro. Oh, look at that. The price is stacking. Let's see. I think we go this way. I'll do my best to look after you. Oh, it is pissing it down now. Pissing it down. We've made mistakes. Oh, I wonder if there's a way to see at the bottom of that. I doubt it. Let's have a look around. Man. I have a rainproof coat on the back of the bike too, man. Why am I not using that? I mean, I wonder if there's a way down. Dangerous, it says. Oh, let's keep going. I'm determined to show you an amazing waterfall. Oh look, there's little walk-in viewpoints down there. Looks like a little China thing. Is there stairs? Oh, there is. There is. This is the way. Oh my god. How far down? Oh. Look, we'll do a little bit. Oh my god. There's less tourists this way too. Oh my god. Jesus. Getting back up is where the problem comes in. We're searching for a thumbnail. That's what we're doing. Thumbnail. The search of the thumbnail keeps us going, keeps us fast, keeps us energized. Oh, I think we're at the little Chinese house. Oh, and there it is. That's beautiful. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you in a minute, I promise. Oh, let me just... Oh, I didn't see any other tourists come this way. Unless there's some right behind me. You can tell me. Wow. That's pretty incredible. I mean, look, all the way around. You know, whilst I've been here in Laos, the people haven't been too overly friendly. They've been nice, but not crazy friendly. The nature is definitely beautiful in Laos. It's bloody beautiful. Oh my god. We got like a 40-minute drive after this to a waterfall that not many people go to. So let's get it done. Let's go get scammed again. For fuck's sake. I didn't want to go up this way. I'm tired. My legs are tired already. But I'm like, bruh, maybe someone watching the vlog is like, bro, I wanted to see up there. So here you go. You get to see up there. Whoever you were. Whoever you were. You get to see. This is for you. Whoever thought, hey bro, that's not it. You gotta show us more. I'm showing you more. And then the water goes all the way down. Incredibly beautiful. Incredible. Alright, we've done it. Oh, I'm looking at that and I'm thinking the same. I'm like, what if someone's like, bro, I'd love to see what's down there. Fuck's sake. Oh. There you go. The water leads down there. It's a river. It's a river. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Hope it was worth it. Right. I'll meet you back when we're at the top. Because nobody wants to see me struggling to breathe whilst we're climbing. Jesus. But we're doing it. Beautiful. I'm doing this route just because I don't want to climb the stairs. But here we are. Beautiful. And this, what we walked through on the way in, so I didn't film. It's very pretty, everybody eating. 1 hour drive to the next place, let's go. Some guy's following me, absolutely following me. He keeps losing distance just to pretend he's not. Because this bike does not have headlights, so if it hits night time, I'm absolutely mega fucked. The road is like this. It's a little bit wet. It's not an easy drive. I can't not go there if we're 10 minutes away. The back wheel keeps slipping. Now we're dealing with rain. It's raining and there's goats. It's worse than before. Kids herding a cow. Wow. Stopped in the middle of nowhere. The raincoat. Let's go. Problem is I can't keep stopping and clicking the record button, but the road is mental, bro. Mental, mental, mental. Jeez, how the fuck am I getting down this, bro? Oh, this is bad, bad, bad. How far is it? We gotta be nearly there. Jesus Christ, a workout on the arms. Let's go. Send it. Send it. Oh. Let's see. How far is it, bro? I have no idea. No idea if we're on the right track. Nice house ahead. Hopefully they don't murder me. Jesus. Hello. Waterfall. Oh, it is this way. Okay. Oi, oi, oi. Slippy. Capture. Oh my god. Now we have to trust the buy. Yeah, we trust the buy. I trust the buy. Oh, maybe not. We go slow down here. Holy shit. Any sliding, we bail. Because it is muddy. What am I doing, bro? Oh, it's far, bro. Really far. But I guess getting back up shouldn't be too difficult. But we are definitely taking mud. Question is, can I turn? I can't turn here, it's too late. I've committed. I've committed. There is no turning. I think the bike's getting fully stuck with mud, bro. So I have to go across. Oh, my feet, bro. Covered in mud. I need the rocks. Ooh. I'm in the middle of nowhere on the dirt bike. It's completely covered in mud. And you can see from our trail here, I have to get back up. Oh, the tires, bro. Oh, and we're covered in mud there too. In a chain. Alright, I gotta fix that, so I gotta jam something in there. Day is definitely ending in some kind of crash. It's 100% gonna end in a crash. 100%. Oh, like cement, bro. Oh, and rocks and everything. Oh, look at these huge fucking rocks. Everything, I always try and find a positive. That is a pretty tree. I do for no views, bro. The things I do. Fuck. Is this all mud? I think it is. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna get on that. Oh. I don't know, there's stairs and a fucking arrow, bro. Oh, I need a piss too, so we're gonna go piss. Don't know if this is allowed. Maybe breaking some laws here. Oh, dry ground. Thank fuck. Oh, the fuck is even up here? Oh. Fuck all, bro. Just fuck all. Sabadia. This is it. Gonna crash. It is here. Absolute shock. Oh, it doesn't look as scary going up. Oh, but we ain't moving. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, you slut. Come on. You stalled, didn't you, you little bitch? Oh. Oh, we're literally just digging. Oh man. Oh god, we're doing it. Please. No. Please. Oi. Oh my god. Oh, okay, goodbye, bye. This one, not so bad. What a fucking bike, man. We stalled at one point. We absolutely stalled. I had to do a hill start. Good lord, man. What a bike. What a beast. Hello. Somebody. Let me through. Come on. Let me through. Parting the sea. I am Moses. I am the chosen one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, power. Moses. Do you know how fast you were going? Sorry, officer. I don't know how fast I was going. My speedometer doesn't work. Oh, okay then. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.